Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now. Check the phone is unlocked and at least 20% charged so the process won't fail. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Carrier profiles can need network access. Next, open Settings, tap Connections, then SIM Card Manager to view active physical SIMs and eSIM profiles. You're looking for the eSIM label or profile name. This is the first actionable step, because deleting requires selecting that live eSIM entry explicitly. You now select the eSIM profile you want removed and open its details screen. This exposes the Delete or Remove Profile button. Tap Delete, then confirm the action. Phones ask to verify to prevent accidental loss. If you're asked for device PIN or Samsung account password, enter it to authorize the removal. This secures the process. Once confirmed, the eSIM will deregister locally. Make sure to wait until the UI reports completion before moving to the next step. Finish by restarting your phone to clear any residual caches so the system fully recognizes the removal. If the eSIM profile reappears or shows as pending, toggle airplane mode on and off, or use settings right arrow general management, right arrow reset network settings as a safe next move. If the profile still won't deregister, contact your carrier to revoke the eSIM activation on their side. This often resolves persistent profiles and prevents accidental reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.